we are going to see what Minxy, why are you not in focus? There we go. Thinks of helicopter seats. Minxy, I know you want water. Psst. Do you not know what to think? Oh, there's my finger. There's my finger. Oh, here comes Ref. Here comes Ref. What does Ref think of? Hello, Mr. Tongue. Oh, oh no. I don't think you want to eat that. She says, yes, I do. Oh my god, I'm about to be attacked. You're breaking the part of them that makes them work. You know that, right? You know that, right? Where'd the other one go? Where'd you lose it? Oh, referee doesn't care. Referee doesn't care. It's not really food, you know. It's not really food. I don't know, hon. I don't know if that's going to make you sick or not, so you can't have it. I'm so mean. I'm so mean. Okay. She's gonna nab it. Hon, no. Let's not make you sick. But she does enjoy them. Don't you? Yes. Uh-oh, she sees the other one. They actually all hit the door earlier, and I thought it was hail. Oh, good God. That's a terrible idea. Right? Referee? You just smacked him in the face. I know. Why can't you have one, right? Why can't she have one? Okay, I'm going to actually put them back outside before you eat them. Because I don't know if you should.